Hey guys, as you can see, I'm not here today. So you're going to be working on a couple different things or your choice of a couple different things. First thing you can do, if you don't want to do anything too tedious, there are two worksheets on the front page or front desk or front table that you can do. They are using the skills we already have. You work on them, staple them together, turn them in for the end of class. They have to be turned in for the end of class. If you would like to work on a reassessment or raise your grade on your test, then what you need to do is go to Canvas, which I'll show you in a moment, and you can work on a visual poster or a presentation, not that you're presenting, but a presentation explaining that you know how to do the topics. So here we go. Let me explain to you the poster. All right, so here's what you're going to do today. If you choose to do the visual poster, you can go to Canvas, click on Unit 1 Visual Poster. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, to modules. You'll see two things here, the unit, the instructions, and where you submit it. So we'll click on this first. We'll look at it. In here, you've got your poster instructions. Click on Instructions, and it will take you there. So here you have all the rules. You can see when it's due. You can see what I want you to do. You can create some sort of visual presentation, Google Slides, Canva, whatever you need to do. It has to be digital though, no paper. And I give you four options. Option 1, domain and range. 2, arithmetic and geometric sequences. 3, identifying function families. And 4, evaluating functions. You may do one from these, the first two, and that will go towards that assessment. If you choose domain and range, it still goes towards the sequence assessment. All of it goes together. You may do one between option 3 and 4, which goes towards the assessment on functions. Either one you do is fine, but only pick one. If you really want to combine it all, I guess you can combine it all, but that's not necessary. Here are all the explanations about what I need from you, what it needs to look like. You can see a rubric of how I'm going to grade it and how to submit it. Now, when you submit it, you're going to give me the link. Okay. That means you're not sharing it with me. You're going up to the top, you're copying the link. Canva has a place to share it. Give me a live link. Don't share it with me. Give me a live link, but make sure the sharing is open to anybody with the link so that I can see it. So make sure it's wide open and public. And that way, when I get the link, I can plug it up. Do not share it. If I see an email, I'm just going to delete it. So don't worry about that. Next, when you're done with it, you come here to where it says submit assignment here. You can click on that. It'll take you to this screen where you'll see blank down here where you can type in the link to it. Don't share it with me. Just give me the link like this, and then I'll see it. If you decide to do two of them, well, this one, after you submit one, it's not going to have a link here for you. So after you do the second one, come here, same place, click on here. It'll take you to a second one. It'll say second poster that you can do that and submit a second one. That way I grade two different ones. So the posters are going to count as your reassessment. Instead of taking a retest or working on another test, you're going to prove that you know the information this way. That's why you can do one of each or one of each side. If you don't want to reassess, that's fine. Now, it is due Sunday night by midnight, by 11:59 p.m. It's actually, you can turn in a little bit later if you want to, but if you want me to grade it for UIL, then for your eligibility, then you have to have it done by Sunday night. I'm going to spend Monday grading those and get those in so I can turn them in and finalize your grades before I turn them in for the grading for the grade check. If you don't need that, then you have until Tuesday. After Tuesday, I'm not taking any of them up. That'll be plenty of time to do these. The one thing I want you to recognize or understand is that when I grade these posters, it'll be subjective, meaning I had to put a grade point on Canvas, but it's not worth 100 points. When I grade it, if I get a good understanding that you know what you're talking about, then I can raise your grade up to a 90, but it's going to be up to me. So just because you made a 20 and all of a sudden your poster's good doesn't mean you're going to get a 90. you'll probably get up to a 65 or 70. And if it's outstanding, maybe I'll take it higher. But I'm not going to just automatically rubber stamp a 90 because you turned something in. Okay. If it's just there and it's okay, and I can tell that you got help from a lot of different sources, then it may only go up to 65 or 70. But if it's really good, I'll go up to an 85 or 90. Likewise, if you had a 78 already and you do it, it's going to be a lot easier to get up to a 90, because at that point, if it's good, it'll probably push you up there. But it's not. I'm not going to give you a grade. So don't go look in Hack, or don't go look in Canvas and go, oh, you made a 75, or I made 100 on the reassessment, the poster. Why didn't I get a 90? It's not that way. I'm basing on what it shows me. So it's not a one-to-one. Don't get your heart set on that. But it will definitely raise your grade up. For those of you looking to get your grade up for eligibility, it's an easy way to show me that you do know what you're doing, that I can count and give you a much better grade. Now, again, if you choose not to do that, that is fine with me. Just work on the 2 worksheets, turn them in, we're good. Okay, be good for the sub. Have a nice day.